Hello, welcome back to Learn Physics. In today's topic, we are starting the revision topic that is based on your CBSE textbook, NCERT textbook based solved examples we will be discussing today. Okay, so and whichever I am feeling it is important, that and all I will be telling, maybe this will be useful for you, I guess. Okay, so here in this chapter, electric charges and electric field, in that chapter, see in page number 16 and 17 you can see numerical. Okay, so that numerical I am starting, that is example 1.6. So there the question is, consider three charges Q1, Q2, Q3 each equal to Q at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side L. What is the force on a charge Q placed at the centroid of the triangle? So the triangle also given. Okay. So this is the question. So we should find out the total force acting at the point O. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. At all the sides charge Q is kept. Each side is having length L. Okay, so we want to find out what will be the force acting at O. Okay, so from A, if I am considering, it is positive charge, so it is moving outwards, so it will be acting like this. So I am representing it as F1. This is 2. F2 we can write because of charge Q at C. So that also will be acting outwards at O. It is outwards. Okay, we can't do it like this. Then towards O only it will be coming. Force will be moving outwards. So this is F2. And now from 3, Q3. At O, force will be acting outwards, F3. These are the forces acting at the point O. Okay, so at O, F2 is acting like this, F3 is acting like this, and F1 is acting like this. To find out the net force, what we should do? We should find out the total force acting on the system. So for that, first we can find out the resultant force of F2 and F3. How we can find out the resultant force? We can use the parallelogram law. While we are using the parallelogram law, we will be getting a force exactly opposite to F1. Okay, that is F23. Okay, resultant force due to that F2 and F3. That one I am representing it as F23. Okay, now we need to find out what is F1, F2 and F3. So F1, what is the Coulomb's law? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, so F1, this distance I should find out at O. Okay, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q. Here a charge capital Q is kept, right? So capital Q divided by AO square. So first we need to find out what is AO. AO, this if altitude, while we are considering this one, what will be the ratio here in this? Since it is an equilateral triangle, it will be dividing it as a ratio of 2 by 3. 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is the ratio, which is AO is divided, or AD I am considering, AD will be dividing in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay, that is as with that one mathematics. Okay, AD will be dividing it as a in the ratio 2 is to 1. So in that, this OD will be, so which is coming from the vertex. From the vertex, which side is coming, AO or OD? It will be AO will be coming from the vertex. This is A is vertex, this is O, and this is D. This is coming towards the side, isn't it? So it is starting from the vertex. So the AO distance is 2 and this is 1. Okay, 2 is to 1 ratio. Okay, this is 2x and this is 1x. Okay, so this AO distance will be, therefore AO we can write it as, how we can write down? See this one, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 of which one? Length, AD. So what is this AD? This is L and this is L by 2, isn't it? So this one is L by 2 and this is L. So what will be this one? Root of AD will be equal to root of L square minus L square by 4. So we will get it as L into root of 1 by 4. That is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 L. Okay, this is AD. Now what is AO? AO will be equal to 2 by 3 into root 3 by 2 L. So tell me how we can do this. Do 2 and L by root 3. Okay, so AO we got it as L by root 3. So this distance, now we can find out F1, right? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 into L by root 3 the whole square. Okay, so we got it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q capital Q divided by L by root 3 the whole square. This one we can write it as 3 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by L square. Okay, this is how we will be finding out. So this steps and all, it's not given in the textbook. That is the reason you are feeling it is difficult. So now you will be thinking, for doing this many steps, whether we have any, it is time consuming. Why? Because when you are used with these kind of questions, see, without doing this much of steps, you can easily write down. Okay, so this one, for making you understand the concept and how we are getting it, it's step by step I am explaining. So that is the reason you are getting you are taking this much of time. Okay, so 3 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by L square, this is F1. Now we need to get the same way F2 and F3. Okay, now we are going to find out F2. F2 is because of this one, right? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 small q capital Q divided by OC square. OC square also same way only we will be finding out. This is 2. The ratio is 2 of CE. If I am writing CE, 2 of this 2 into this altitude we should take. Okay, so the same way while we are doing, since all the sides are equal and the methods are same, we will be again getting it as L by root 3 only. So the final answer be 3 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by L square. And same way F3 also 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by, what is this, BO square. So it has 3 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by L square. Now our aim is to find out F2 and F3. The resultant of F2 and F3, that is F23 equals. So what is the method to find out the direction? We know. What will be the direction? This will be the direction, F23, isn't it? So here we can find out F23 as root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. F2 square plus F3 square plus 2F2 F3 cos, what is the angle between F2 and F3? What is the angle between F2 and F3? See, this is 90 degree. This one whole is 60 degree. This much will be 30 degree. So this is 60 degree. Since it is 60, this also will be 60. And the same way this side also 90, 30 and this will be 60. Therefore this also will be 60. The whole, so F2 and F3 are at an angle 120 degree, cos 120. So F1 square is same as F3 square, right? So instead of F3, if I want, I can write it as F2 only. So the magnitudes are same, F2 square plus F2 square plus 2F2 square cos 120. What is cos 120? Cos 180 minus 60. Cos 180 minus 60 is minus cos 60. Cos 60 is minus 1 by 2. So here we will get it as minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will get cancelled. You will get it as, so F2 square plus F2 square, 2F2 square. Here 2F2 square minus F2 square. So you will get it as 1 f2 root of f2 square, so we will get it as f2. So f23 will be equal to, we can write it as f2, magnitude will be either equal to f2 or equal to f3, both are same, right? We had taken it in the same way. So here what will be the resultant? The net force. How we can find out the net force? Net force are in f23 minus f1. Both are in the same direction and in the opposite direction. So that is equal to f2. f2 means 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 3q divided by L square minus what is f1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by L square. Same. So the answer will be 0. Okay, you understood? So in the same equilateral triangle, if it is at the in the centroid, if we are keeping one charge, what will be the net force acting on the system? It will be 0. That should be the that is the concept which you should understand here. Okay, in the equilateral triangle, same charge on all the side, and the center, whatever be the charges, the net force acting on the system will be equal to at the centroid is equal to 0. Okay, understood? So the next question, consider the charges Q, Q and minus Q placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Diagram is given. What is the force acting on each charge? We should find it out separately. What is the net force acting on each charge? Okay, so the diagram. So here in this question, what is the net force acting on each charge? So first we should find out for A and B and then C. So at the point A, what are the forces acting? See, this is positive and this is positive. Due to second charge, due to B, positive, positive. So it will be acting outwards. Now negative and positive. In which way it will be acting? It will be acting positive to negative. Okay, it is acting outwards. So while taking the parallelogram law, we will be getting it will be in this direction. So this is F21. Force on first one due to, see, force acting on Q1 due to Q2. That is F12. This is force acting on 1 due to 3. So this is the net force acting at A. Okay. Now this is 2. So force acting on Q2 due to Q1. That is, see, both are positive. So it is outwards. F21. This is now due to Q3. Isn't it? Q3 is negative, so it is acting towards, positive to negative. It will be acting, this will be force acting on 2 due to 3. Okay, so this is net force will be parallelogram law FB acting in this direction. Okay, here what are the forces? Force acting on C due to A. What will be the force? Towards, outwards, positive, right? Outwards. Here this also positive, so this also acting outwards. Okay, positive, towards positive charge. Force acting on Q1 due to Q3. See, force acting on Q3 due to Q1. Due to Q1. So since it is positive, it will be from on Q1 it will be outwards. Since here it is positive, on Q1 it is outwards. Since A is positive, on B it is outwards. Since it is negative, on B it will be towards. Okay, so this is both are outwards. So you should understand the directions properly. If the force acting on Q3 or Q2 or Q1 we need to find out. I will tell you once more. At A, it is positive. Due to B, B is positive. So B will be acting outwards since it is positive. C is negative. So at A it will be acting towards C. Negative, right? So negative means towards that point. Okay. Positive means away from the point. Like that you can think. Clear now? Okay. Now we can move for the rest of the numerical calculation. So FA. What is FA? Force due to 1, 2 and 1, 3. Root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. What is this angle? This is 60 degree. So this will be 120. This is 60 degree. So this will be 120. What is this angle? This is 60 degree. Okay. So only here we are getting a difference. Okay. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 A. What are the forces? QQ divided by R square. What is the distance between these? FA, F12, F13, F21, F23, all those things we need first, isn't it? So first FA equals root of F12 square plus F13 square plus 2F12, F13 cos 120. So first we need F12. What is F12? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by L square. F13. What is F13? Is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QQ by what is distance? L square. Okay, the same way, everything is same. So cos 120, we in the last time we did minus half. So here F12 square, F13 square, root F12, F1. So FA equals root of F12 square plus F13 square plus 2F1 F2 into minus half. Okay, so here you will get it as F12 square plus F12 square plus y F12 both are same. Therefore, okay, 2 minus F12 square. Half will get cancelled. Okay, so here what is this one? This and this will get cancelled. We will get F12. So this alone we will be getting. Okay, same way in all the points. See this here also we will be getting the same point in same method you can do. Only here you will get a change. Why? Because here we will get it as, see here F1, F31 and here F32. Okay, F31 square plus F32 square plus 2 F31 F32 cos 60. Okay, so here we will get a change. So F3 square plus F2 square. So here F31 square plus F32 square, we can write it as F31 square only, F31 square into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So what you will be getting here, root 3 F31 square. Root 3 F31 square, root 3 F31 you will get. So here only changes. Here we will be getting 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QQ by L square. Here also we will be getting 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QQ by L square. Here alone we will be getting 1 by 3. Root 3 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QQ by L square. Okay, so I think it is clear for you, and this is so another one more question I'll give you, and in next day, and you can try that whether you are getting it or not. Okay, you can try that. If you are getting or not getting, we will be discussing that in the next video. So just go through this. It is easy only. I have the assumption that you know Coulomb's law. Okay, after knowing the concept of Coulomb's law, if you are doing this one, you will be getting the answers properly. Okay, so I'll give you one question in the after this video I'll give that question, so you try to do that, and if you can check that answer in the next video. Okay. So I think it is clear for you, and if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.